In response to the rising threat of autonomous aerial, surface, and combat vehicles, the Indian Navy has initiated efforts to develop a cutting-edge high-power microwave (HPM) weapon system. This advanced weapon system will be designed to counter the growing capabilities of autonomous systems used by adversaries in modern warfare. The Indian Navy's request emphasizes the need for a high-power microwave weapon capable of neutralizing autonomous aerial vehicles, AAVs, autonomous combat aerial vehicles, ACAV, and autonomous surface vehicles, ASV, at ranges exceeding 5 kilometers. High-power microwave (HPM) weapons are emerging as a critical component in modern electronic warfare. Unlike conventional weapon systems, HPM weapons use directed electromagnetic waves to disrupt or disable electronic systems in target vehicles, often rendering them inoperative without causing physical destruction. This ability makes them particularly effective against drones and autonomous systems that rely heavily on electronic sensors, communication links, and control systems. Swarming tactics, in which large numbers of autonomous drones or vehicles act in coordinated attacks, are an increasing threat to naval and defense assets worldwide. The use of swarms allows adversaries to overwhelm defenses, which can lead to mission-critical breaches if not effectively countered. HPM weapon systems are uniquely suited to address this threat, as they can engage multiple targets simultaneously and disrupt entire swarms without requiring individual targeting for each unit. The planned HPM system will allow the Indian Navy to defend against potential swarms of AAV, ACAV, and ASV by disorienting or incapacitating multiple autonomous units simultaneously, thus preventing them from fulfilling their mission objectives. Given the 5-kilometer range, this system could provide a secure standoff capability to protect larger vessels, coastal installations, and other high-value assets. Key specification and capabilities of high-power microwave weapons, HPM. Future upgradability. The Navy has also outlined a forward-looking requirement for the HPM weapon system to be upgradable by increasing its power output. This adaptability will enable the system to engage AAVs, ACAVs, and ASVs at even greater distances, future-proofing the technology against the potential evolution of autonomous threats. Effective range and neutralization. The HPM weapon system must have a minimum effective range of 5 kilometers to engage and neutralize the targets. The design aims to protect naval assets against swarms of autonomous threats, especially AAV, ACAV, and ASV, which can pose a significant risk due to their ability to maneuver in coordinated attacks, often autonomously. Scalable power output. One of the primary design requirements is scalable power output without substantial architectural changes. This flexibility will allow the HPM weapon to adjust power levels depending on the range and type of threat, enhancing its tactical adaptability for various engagement scenarios. With this RFI, the Indian Navy has taken an initial step in inviting domestic defense companies, research organizations, and technology innovators to design and develop this advanced weapon. Following the design and prototype phase, the HPM system will likely undergo rigorous testing in real-world conditions to validate its performance against autonomous swarms. These trials will be essential to ensure the system's effectiveness and reliability in diverse naval scenarios. If successful, this high-power microwave weapon system will represent a major milestone for the Indian Navy's electronic warfare capabilities. Not only will it enhance defensive measures against modern autonomous threats, but it will also contribute to India's technological self-reliance and bolster the Navy's ability to maintain maritime security in contested environments. Thanks for watching.